Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is going to be so much fun. We're going to combine two of my favorite loves, real estate and working out. Today we're going to train my past clients. They are family related and they have bought a house from me, and they've also sold their house for me, and now they're just looking to be on a healthy start. So I'm going to just teach them a few moves to get them started on their health journey, and hopefully we can get them going, and hopefully we can get you guys motivated as well. The lower body, upper body, then rest day. This is lower body.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, stop. Bro.
I mean, this style is like bodybuilding because like try to stick your butt out, and that way, like, there's no pressure on your back, and then you can concentrate on it. There you go.
I feel like Meg's not good, but Meg's good.
Is that right? Yeah.
Meg's good as
Engage your core.
It's so fun right now.
No, you don't look like one.
No, you're not. Not at the gym.
I know.
Not at the gym, you're not. No.
She's like falling asleep right now. You're too slow.
How's it feel like? Should I even about that shit?
And then you want to make sure you stick your butt out too, because that way your shoulders are the ones that you're focusing on. And then just
Or
come
it's harder.
and you want to make sure you don't
But
work
it's
your
harder because
traps.
he's taller.
Because traps are for men.
Yeah.
Yeah. 8, one more. Leg, all the way back. And then hinge to the, yeah, there you go.
Do you do two both or just one?
Huh?
Just one dumbbell?
You
No.
can do both. Yeah,
Oh.
you can answer. Hey guys, it's another day and we are going to be previewing a unit for one of my clients, and it just so happens to be the old soap factory. So I hope you enjoy this tour, and come on, let's go.
There you go.
We are in the building right now, and right now we are in the courtyard of the complex, and as you can see, there's a nice little water feature here. It's really so nice and peaceful. It kind of feels like you're in Central Park. So here we are in the unit, and as you can see, it's got high ceilings, and this is the kitchen area. And I love how the refrigerator is actually custom to the wall, so it's not in your way. And you also have the mirrored backsplash, which makes it look really nice and roomy. Over here, you'll see the really nice, spacious living area. And what's great about this unit is that it's really close to the Marina District, Seaport Village, walking distance to a lot of restaurants. So you're really gonna get a lot out of this unit. There's a fireplace here and lots of features. You've got that wooden beam, yes, that's holding it up, which makes it really nice and unique. And then over here, you have this first bedroom. And it's really nice and spacious, so you can wake up and look at your view. And over here you see these really nice French doors that, you know, of course you can close for privacy, but it also lets the light in as well. And then it also has some custom closets. And this room can easily be converted to an office space if you wanted to work from home, or if you do work from home. And then you can look out your window and you can put your desk right here. So that makes it really nice and convenient, makes working fun. And then here we have the primary bedroom, and then you have a lot of closet space, which I love, because a lot of units in the downtown area don't have a lot of closet space, so that makes it really nice. And this is 1,270 square foot, guys, so it's pretty spacious. And then you also have the really nice huge windows, the sunlight coming in, natural sunlight. But you also have these really nice shades that make it really private in the evening. And here's a little bonus. You have another closet space where you can actually put, you know, more clothes and more shoes. Then you have your hallway bathroom, which is also nice and spacious for your guests. And I like how it's white on white, and then you also have your in-unit washer and dryer. And these appliances do convey with the unit. So what I love about this unit is that it's very resort-like. You have your gym, fitness center, you have a pool, you also have a recreation center, and you have your Central Park courtyard looking. So if you want to relax and read a book, so you kind of feel like you're in nature, but you also are part of the downtown feel as well. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. So I'm really excited to show you all of the amenities. So come on, let's go. As you can see from my beginning of the vlog, I was at the gym with my client, and you know I'm a gym lover. So I'm really excited to show you the fitness center. Let's go. Back from the gym, the fitness center here, and as you can see, it is a full stocked gym. Lots of great equipment, so you will not be bored. So I highly recommend, if you are interested in taking a look at this building, this complex, let me know and I'd be happy to show you. And now let's go check out the community room. So now we are in the community room, and as you can see, you can reserve this space for a party or a conference or an event, and it's really spacious and lots of natural light. And you can work from this space if you wanted to. It's really nice and quiet. You can also host like an open bar or a cash bar. And then you have a kitchen here where if you wanted to provide food and beverages, you can. And now we can go check out the pool. And now we're in the pool area, and this is a a really long lap pool that you can take advantage of. And we are facing literally the harbor. So it's just steps away, guys, from the harbor. As you can see, we are in the gazebo area and it overlooks the marina. And then over there is the jacuzzi and barbecue area where you can eat and spa and enjoy lunch here. It's really cute. So now we're finishing up here and we're gonna go to my client's closing today. I'm really excited for her, and you guys get to see her house that she's going to move into. So we are at my client's new property, and she just closed on this beautiful house, and we're just setting up before she comes. I only saw one cookie.
Probably babies inside.
For you.
I love it. Love it.
And then you have this magical money tree. It's
Oh,
gonna
yes,
bring you a
yes.
lot of wealth
Yes,
and
please.
abundance.
Yeah. I believe that too.
Yes, yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna give. Have you ever taken care of a money tree?
Oh.